Hey people, Kiara here from iDigi Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting the $25 business using My Lead Gen Secrets. Now we only using one account of My Lead Gen Secrets. Most people that know about My Lead Gen Secrets have multiple accounts, usually around 10, but we using only one account just to show you guys what you could do with the bare minimum, how easy this is to do, so on and so forth, and show you that this works for me and it will work for you, and you could dive in. I'm just showing you the bare minimum, and if you're interested in making money online, this is the easiest way I have found, period. Nothing even come close to this easy. So make sure to like, comment, subscribe, make sure to hit that notification bell, and let's get started. All right, so first off, the reason why I like promoting the $25 business in particular, all right, is because of its affiliate system. Its affiliate system is 80% recurring income. And if you know any type of affiliate system, that is insane. 80% recurring income is the highest I have found, period. That means you get paid every single month as well. So a sale is so valuable. But anyway, guys, let's refresh the page and show my results real quick. All right, it looks like we did get a sale yesterday. Nice. All right, so that's fantastic. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna show you guys how to get your affiliate link right here. All of these links here, you need to get them. All right, guys, so that's what I'm gonna do first. So first off, the first thing you need to do is go to my page. You go to my page here, you go to one of my videos here. You open up the description here. You're gonna see step 1 and step 2. That's what you want to focus on. Click on step 1, the $25 business. It's gonna take you to this page here, which explains what the $25 business is all about and how much money you can make, all that stuff, right? And you click on yes, I want in. Once you click on that, you put in your information, all that good stuff, and also click on the 14-day free test drive for HBA Premium. And sign in. Now the reason why you want to click this and get the 14-day test drive is that you have to own the product to get commissions from it. So if you want to maximize the amount of money you can make, click on this and do that. All right, so after you sign in, buy the product, so on and so forth, guys, you're gonna get to a page that looks something like this. Well, you might have to log in first, but you're gonna eventually get to a page that looks something like this. All right, once you log in, make your account. Very easy steps. And you want to click on the affiliate zone. All right, you click on the affiliate zone. Videos explaining all of this, guys. I'm just kind of running through it real quick. And what you want to do is click on sign up for the affiliate program here. It's going to take you to a page that looks something like this. Very basic information you have to put in here. Sign in, do all that good stuff. And once you do that, you can log into the SAM card, guys. Log into the SAM card, and once you do that, you're here. All right, you're here. You got all your links. So you have done all you need to do, which is fantastic. So what we're gonna do here, guys, is also the next step is signing in for My Lead Gen Secrets. You need somewhere to promote your links for. All right, so you go back to my page here. You're gonna see step 2. You click on that. It's gonna be My Lead Gen Secrets, guys. All right, boom, this page here. Now what he's going to talk about, if you want to play the video, is what My Lead Gen Secrets is. And TLDR, you get 100 leads every single day that you can email once per day. All right, guys. So for example, if you sign in today, you'll get 100 leads. Tomorrow, you'll get another 100 leads, adding up to 200 leads you can email. See what I'm saying? And so on and so forth. So that's how that works. So we're going to just log into my account here real quick, the one I use for this video, for this channel, and I'm just gonna go on to our mailing system here. That's the one you want to go to. As you can see, you could check your leads, you could get some master email swipes you want to. I show you my email so you don't really have to do that, but yeah. So once you do that, you're gonna click on select all here, select all your leads there. And we're just gonna use my next email. Oh, all right. So what I want to do here is create an email. I want to write an email for you. What I'm gonna do is pick. All right, guys. From here, I'm gonna create an email, write one up real quick. Okay, guys. So, probably just gonna fast forward through this real quick. All right, guys. So I got my next video done here, my next email here done. If you want to copy it, I'll show you guys real quick. Writing systems, swimming in money. And we just show you guys the whole email here. Copy, paste. Pause the video, copy it if you want to copy it, guys. All right, pause the video and copy it. Okay. Just pause the video and copy it. All right. Boom, you're done. That's all it takes, guys. Make sure to hit perfect timing. They'll send an email around time people check emails. And you want to preview it and make sure your link work, guys. Make sure your link work. This is super important. All right, my link does work. I wanna bold this real quick. All right, that's perfect. We're gonna send an email, guys. That's all it takes to do this, guys. Very simple, very easy. I just rewrote my email just slightly different, and I got a completely different email. You see that? All right, so that's all it is, guys. Very simple, very easy to do. Follow along. You can make some money online too. All right, guys. So like I stated before, just like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.
Bye. Have a beautiful time.